Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green sprouts. First, choose high-quality sprouting seeds such as alfalfa, broccoli, or radish for optimal results. For a standard 1-quart jar, measure out 2 tablespoons of your chosen seeds. Place these seeds into a clean sprouting jar, ensuring it has a mesh lid for proper drainage. Now, cover the seeds with approximately 1 cup of cool, filtered water. Allow them to soak for 8 to 12 hours, ideally overnight, at a comfortable room temperature. Once your seeds have finished soaking, it's crucial to drain all the water completely from the jar. Next, rinse the seeds thoroughly with fresh, cool water, swirling them gently to ensure all seeds are cleaned. After rinsing, drain the water completely again. Any standing water can lead to spoilage. You'll need to repeat this vital rinsing and draining process 2 to 3 times every single day. Finally, position the jar upside down at an angle, allowing for continuous drainage and excellent air circulation. For optimal growth, place your sprouting jar in a spot that receives indirect light, carefully avoiding any direct sunlight which can overheat the delicate sprouts. Good air circulation around the jar is absolutely essential to prevent the development of mold. Aim to maintain a consistent room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for the best results. Never place your sprouts in enclosed spaces or too close to any heat sources. Remember to observe them daily for healthy growth and vibrant freshness. Your delicious sprouts are usually ready for harvest in about 3 to 5 days, once they've reached a length of 1 to 2 inches. Before harvesting, give them one final, thorough rinse under cool water. To ensure they stay fresh longer, gently pat the sprouts dry with a clean paper towel or use a salad spinner to remove excess moisture. Store these dried sprouts in an airtight container, placing them in your refrigerator. For peak freshness and flavor, aim to consume your harvested green sprouts within 5 to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.